Number 6, you're going to describe the transformation using words. Okay, I'm going to break this up piece by piece. This add 4, that means it's going to go right of 4 units. Then the second point of y, nothing happens to it, so that's it. So this transformation would just be right 4 units. Next, the x comma y arrow x, that has nothing to do with it. The y was a -1, so that is going to be a down 1 unit. C is the first time there's both influences on both the x and y. So the x has a +3, that's going to be right 3 units. And then the y +5, that is going to be up 5 units. Letter D, x comma y, the x is going to be -2. That -2 means left 2 units. And then the y +4, that is up 4 units. So there you go. Based on the rule, we can now write the description for the transformation of the translation.